Good morning, Mr. Bumgardner. Can you please tell me your name and then spell your last name?
Yes, my name is Ted Bumgardner. That's Bumgardner.
Okay, and approximately how many times have you had your deposition taken?
Over 300.
Are you comfortable dispensing with the typical admonitions in a deposition?
I am.
Of the number of depositions that you've had taken, can you provide me with a percentage of those in which you were retained by a plaintiff versus retained by a defendant?
Overall, it's probably been about 50% for plaintiff and 50% for defense, actually.
Of the work that you perform, can you give me a percentage or idea of what amount of work you spend on forensic assignments and what amount of time you spend doing something else?
Yeah, currently I spend maybe half of my time on forensic-related assignments. The other half of my time is spent as president of Xpera Group and chairman of Xpera CM. Xpera CM is a construction management company where we're involved in a wide range of new construction projects as construction managers, including apartment projects, hotels, commercial, etc. And at Xpera Group, we provide a range of services to new construction, including quality assurance, building envelope consulting, waterproofing consulting, entitlement consulting, and even market studies and analyses.
What is your understanding of the scope of your designation in this case?
I've been asked to opine on the standard of care of the general contractor and the standard of care of the CM on this project, as well as cost of repair, and I've been asked to render opinions regarding various delay issues that have occurred on the project.
Have you formulated any opinions in this matter?
I have.
What tasks did you perform to formulate these opinions?
Well, I've reviewed lots of documents. I reviewed what I understand to be the entire job file for the construction manager, the job file provided to me of the general contractor. I reviewed the plans, reviewed all change orders that occurred during the project, the budgets, the estimates that occurred on the project. I visited the site several times, met with various participants in the project, and I've reviewed public records in the form of the permit plans, the various entitlement documents, etc.
What do you believe qualifies you to provide these opinions?
Well, I've been involved in construction all my professional life. I acquired my degree in construction management and architectural engineering from the University of Texas in 1978. I have been involved as a subcontractor, a general contractor, an owner's representative, and been involved with development clients. So I've pretty much sat at every seat around the table with respect to a typical construction project. I was vice president of a large major home building company in the late 80s, and then became a principal and vice president of a major construction management company in the 90s. That construction management company became to be in the top 50 largest construction management companies in the country, of which I held the license for that company for about 12 years. I have developed and taught a full semester as a graduate course in construction management at San Diego State University. And I'm the founder and principal of Xpera Group, chairman of Xpera CM, which we provide construction services and construction management.
How many times have you testified at trial?
Over 70 times.
Have you ever failed to qualify as an expert in trial?
Never.